near Shelbyville, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Windsor around 9:25 p.m. Neoga around 9:30 p.m. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Janesville. This includes the following highways: Interstate 57 between mile markers 171 and 190. Interstate 70 between mile markers 112 and 126.
Alright, if you're in these areas, get to a sturdy shelter and stay away from windows. You never know what Weather Nature is going to throw at you. Stay safe.